Hello, in front of me I have Polar Ignite 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. After you wake up the screen, press the back button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the general settings option. No, my bad. In general settings, scroll down and find the option called about your watch. Then tap on it. Here scroll down, find the shutdown option or turn off, this icon right here. Select it and tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And after a second or two your watch should turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.